Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fields on ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add more custom fields to a ClickUp task. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's click onto a task that we have here. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see this option called custom fields. Now if you highlight over custom fields and then click on the plus icon, then click on create a field, you can create more fields here. So let's say that we want to go ahead and click and select a checkbox. And for this checkbox, we're just going to say email, then click on create. So that right there, we've now created a custom field. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create custom fields on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.